What's up, you got a science? I know it's been a while. You get an oil change, first oil change on the Honda. See what they got here. Love, I keep saying it, but I love the 15 up STI. I know they got issues and problems, man. A lot of problems. I understand. This one's actually a lot of cool carbon pieces. Pretty awesome. Yeah, it's raining up here, so we're going to go in there. We're going to get them to do the oil change, see if we can't get them to install the short shifter as well as, we need to get an alignment. That's the old GCS, I guess what they call. I don't know what they're called. Remember, all the science does specialize in super rebuilds. Let's go on, let's get this oil change done to the car.
Is this nipple, right?
Yeah, it's off the nipple.
They have the vacuum line plugged into the fucking T-clamp. So you're not getting source to your booster.
Okay. Thank goodness I wasn't. So how was it? How was I building pressure?
It'll build a little, but that's taking all of it out of the gate.
Well, that's what happens when you do it from the top side of the motor and you don't lift it. That's fucking hilarious. That is fucking hilarious. I get to see the other side. Holding up pretty good. You can see what the boy been scraping. Holding up pretty good though. That's fucking hilarious. What the fuck?
Come over here.
You have to see it. Oh my god.
Where's your source? It's the brass barb, right? Or the T-clamp? Yeah.
How could you fucking do that?
The T-clamp's the source for boost? I'll go ahead and fix that real quick. It's not going to take long, but Jesus, man. Jesus.
That's pretty bad, bro. That's pretty fucking bad. But he installed it from the top, though. You know what I'm saying? That's hilarious.
Go find it.
I mean, I'm pretty positive Steve would have found out when he tuned in next week. Like, why the fuck aren't you building any boost? And probably charge me $100 for his fuck up. That's funny. So we're changing. That's freaking awesome. But yeah, here's the underside. If you asking about scraping, it's not bad. I figured obviously I'd scrape a little bit. I'm cool with it. The scraping, but everything else is held up well. Looks good. He checked it over. Everything's running smooth. Like I said, the car ran perfectly, but obviously wasn't boosting the way it should be boosting to because of that. But other than that, everything's good to go, which is what we want to hear. Talking to him about the tranny. We're gonna go ahead and get this tranny done and built. But no, for real though. Yeah. New filter, everything. Good thing is, everything's buttoned up perfectly. If you guys want to see it. It's like an awesome clutch. Looking perfect. As your work is always perfect, so it's all good. I was hoping to have the new front bumper painted, but the shop didn't get painted in time. You saw that I could repaint the entire car, everything. You saw the interior? Well, I got that stuff going on.
You still got the covers on it?
Well, I did that because as soon as it left here, let me tell you the story, man. As soon as it left here, you're like, hey, man, go about your way.
I put them on so I can get them there.
Yeah, but I'm saying I left them on because I went to the audio shop, got all that stuff installed, and there's a setup, all that, the screen, all that stuff, right? And then, so I didn't want to get dirty, right? Then immediately I said, okay, I'm going to go possibly get it painted, right? I was babying the car around town, just trying to break it in, right? The one day I had to put the Z in the audio shop because the amp went out. So I said, I gotta take it to work, right? Let me go ahead and take it to work. The first day I'm on my way to work, guess what happened? Somebody ran into me.
In there?
Boom, yeah, boom, ran into me, bro. But he was in a Nissan Juke. He hit me right on the bar like it's supposed to. And all I did was it just completely destroyed the rear bumper, but it didn't do any like actual frame damage or anything, right? But he still hit me, right? Because he was on his cell phone, he was talking. I'm at a red light, bro. I'm stopped. There's nothing I could do. I just watched this dude run into the back of me, bro.
Yeah, you better not. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Dude, I was pissed, bro. He's all like, I'm sorry, man. I called my insurance and all that. I took all the pictures. And then, guess what? We're actually on an off-ramp, right? When he hit me, because I left that light. So I said, I'm not going anywhere to the police shop. I backed up traffic at 6:35, like 2 or 3 miles, bro. I had people driving through the grass. driving through the grass, cussing me out. It's just cussing me out. It's like I was the worst piece of shit in the world.
It ain't broke. I just got gonna act.
And like, why don't you just move the car over? I go, no. Why am I gonna change the parameters of the accident? And then they're gonna say, well, you're over here. I said, well, I moved the car. Well, why'd you move the car? What happened? Nope, sorry. I just have to go through the grass. Dude, 3 hours they finally show up, and the police officer, like, he took pictures. He was like, why don't you just move off the side of the road, dude? I was like, because you would have made up some bullshit of, how'd you end up over there? How'd you end up over there? No, I'm not playing that game. Exactly when he hit me, I stopped. I'm done. Go tuck. I'm not moving over. I'm not sliding over.
Wait
nothing.
for the police.
That's it. 3 hours, bro. So then, as soon as that happened, his insurance company obviously was like, I take it, take it to get an adjustment, etc., etc. I was like, I have performance parts on this car, so if any of my performance parts are damaged, you're replacing all that shit. If the car is, not totaled. Of course, my insurance company's like, just take it to whoever you want to. We'll make sure it gets fixed.
Because the way that works, as long as you have receipts for everything,
oh, which I do. I do.
It doesn't matter if it says $0 that you paid. If you have a receipt for it, it's covered.
Yep. So I took it to my body guy. He's like, what do you want to do? I said, what's making me paint the entire car and everything? He's like, can you order the parts? Cool. I ordered a new bumper, all the stuff he needed. He's like, I'm just going to respray the entire car on his dime. And that's what we did. And he paid for all this. So it was like,
be right back. I gotta get your oil filter and
cool. And so it was kind of like, it sucked when it happened because you put so much time and money into this car, over 10 grand. This was you putting it together, and then for some dude just to hit me and be all nonchalant about, my bad, I hit you, I'm on my cell phone, I just didn't want it to be totaled. So when they were like, it's good to go, and I got that brand new paint job and everything, it worked out. It worked out perfectly. There you guys go, lift it up. Good to go, good to go. I know you guys can see the performance gears. I gotta get on them about that. Awesome. Alright, this is a short video. Oil's changed, everything checked out good. I actually got a quote to build the 350. Again, this is like I guess you would call it like a one take. So I got a quote so we can do the full build, the fully built block on the 350 with them getting all the parts and assembly. And I'm just gonna show you guys this, and I'm gonna be out. But we're gonna get it done. Here's the price and how much it's gonna cost to build that with all the supporting parts. I'm done. Alright, you guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Talk about a tranny build. Somebody was mentioning, doing the limited slip. But anyways, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, post them down below. Again, this is a quick video. Kind of one take, this shooting the shit with the guys at outside that put the Honda together, running strong. They checked everything over, make sure that the build's going perfect, which it is. And we found that one minor issue with the installation of the True Boost, but we got that taken care of. And coming soon, I guess. I would say maybe next week. The retune is coming. Alright guys, see you guys next video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Peace. Alright, these parts out. These are new parts. I have a bunch of new parts over there actually, but we'll get to it later. So this is actually a new front center bezel piece, brand new gloss black, and these are, you guys already saw, the yellow fog lights. So we're actually going to go ahead and get the front bumper put on, as well as you saw a couple of videos ago, the diffuser. We're going to try to mock this diffuser up as far as to get the diffuser on. And again, if we get everything on, I'm going to explain to you guys how we got this diffuser on, just like the other diffuser. So let's drop these parts off because I gotta go to work and drop out the car. Alright, here's what we're doing today. We're putting on the brand new front bumper that you guys saw that I got, as well as the yellow fog lights, and then we're gonna make sure to the diffuser to get the diffuser on. Just like this one right here on the Z, we had to cut around the exhaust. We'll have to do the same thing for this diffuser on this one, so hopefully we can get it on. Again, it doesn't really matter, I already paid for it, so we're gonna see what it is. But alright, let's head to the body shop. Let's drop this car off. Hopefully we can get that mocked up, get that done. I'm not worried about the front bumper, we'll get that done definitely. It's the rear diffuser that I told you guys about, doesn't fit right. I'll have to get this mocked up. Hopefully we can get it on. Alright, we're back again, so we're going to get the diffuser put on. It's got a reminder what we need to take off. We're going to cut, but we need to cut out the diffuser so that we can get this diffuser on. That's a good drink, by the way. So we can get this diffuser on. So hopefully we'll be able to get this on today. And because we'll have to cut on the exhaust. It was never designed for a big exhaust. So I'll let you know today. I already paid for it, so hopefully we can get it on. Back at my favorite place, Mako. We'll get this on. And new front bumper coming. Last front bumper cracked. Long story, but again, I don't know where I'm going to put this in the timeline. May throw it all together once this is done, but as you can see, the car has been done. The size cuts on. We're just trying to get these little accent pieces done.